At lagi kong dasal, sana'y di magbago ang damdamin mo at ang iniisip mo lang ay ako. Huwag mong sasabihin mayroon ka ng ibang hiling. Baka hindi makaya kung mawawala ka, dahil puso ko'y nasanay na palaging ikaw ang nais makita. Ganyan lagi ang aking nadarama. At bakit ikaw ang siyang minahal at aking inibig ng tunay? Huwag mo lamang sanang sasabihin iiwanan ako at may papalit na sa akin.
I made myself a promise some time ago, never again to give my heart away. Fell in love with someone who left me in the end. The price of love was just too high to pay. I thought my life had ended, but you came along and showed me how much brighter things could be. Now you see I've turned my back on that promise that I made, knowing that your love has set me free. 'Cause you were reason enough for me to go on living. You were reason enough for me to smile again. In a world where hearts are broken, every now and then one finds reason enough to love, like I found reason enough in you to love
Mahal na mahal, yan ang damdamin na sa'yo'y nararamdaman. Kung di mo alam, puso'y di mapalagay pag di ka namamasdan. O bakit ganyan? At maging sa'king pagtulog, laging alaala ka. Nais makapiling, nais makayakap sa tuwina. Nang dahil sa'yo, ang puso kong ito ay natutong magmahal. Sadya bang ganyan? Sana pag-ibig na nagdaramay pakaingatan, huwag paglaruan, dahil minsan lang umibig. Ang napili ay ikaw. Huwag sanang sasaktan ang puso na sa'yo'y nagmahal. Tawag ng aking magmahal. Sadya bang ganyan